So we are in Clovis, California, and we are in the downstairs laundry bath. So washer and dryer, sink behind me, and back door. So laundry bath, you can see that the flange, the closet flange is corroded. It's a combination of ABS plastic and steel that's powder coated. You can see all the blue. That was a powder coating. It was supposed to keep the water off the flange to keep it from rusting. So you can see it's rusted out pretty good all the way around. We peeled it back and got the blue coating off because we're going to set a new wax ring on here. Right where the bolts go, it's still in pretty good shape. Usually what happens, it corrodes through and you can't get bolts back in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to reuse this. It's not broken, but it is corroded, and it feels pretty good, but we're not going to be able to tighten it down real tight. You know, the only thing you can do with this is take the tile out, jackhammer the floor, replace the flange, and that's an extensive project. So just wanted to document this flange before we get going. I'm going to put some new brass bolts in, new wax rings, get the toilet set, and take another video when we're done. So this is still in the laundry bath area downstairs. So laundry back door, and then of course the sink over here. And so everything's reinstalled. We flushed it quite a few times. It's filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. Got brand new caulking down there, so wait 24 hours before you mop in here, because it is a water-based caulking and you'll wash it out of there. We put a new supply line on. We used the existing valve that's in place because it does shut down, which is great. It's a multi-turn, but it's shutting the water off, so no need to replace it. Brand new supply line, braided stainless steel right out of Home Depot. Of course, the toilet's straight out of Home Depot as well. It's the Kohler Cimarron round bowl comfort height, which is 16.5 to here. And then when you get the seat on there, you're at 17. So that's comfort height or chair height. So it's tight. Again, we've got the first portion of this video shows you the condition that the flange is in, and you know what's happening down there. So that's what we're bolted to. Brand new brass bolts. Oh, looks like I'm missing a cap. I'll go grab a cap real quick and put that on. But it's bolted down securely. There is very little movement in this toilet. If you pound on it from the side, it's not moving. There's no up or down movement, so it's solid. But the toilet can only be as solid as the flange in the floor, and it is corroded. So just be gentle with it. I know this is probably where the kids, come through a lot, or guests, whatever, and use this toilet quite a bit. But anyways, it's a pretty sturdy installation. I don't see any problem with that. Outside of that, this installation is done.